From hurricanes to blizzards, staying prepared for a storm is crucial, no matter where you live. When a power outage strikes, having the right tools on hand can make all the difference. And here at Ryobi, we offer a wide variety of products to weather any storm. I'm Shannon, and in this video, we'll go over Ryobi's versatile lineup of portable power, lighting, fans, coolers, and the batteries that keep them powered to help you stay safe and comfortable during any emergency. Welcome to Ryobi Tools 101. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to hear about new tool announcements, step-by-step tutorials, DIY projects, and so much more. We all know that power outages are synonymous with storms, which is why it's important to always have some sort of portable power supply handy to keep the essentials powered and ready to go. Whether you're in the USB lithium, 18-volt 1+, 40-volt, or 80-volt platforms, Ryobi offers over a dozen portable power solutions to charge or power everything, from small devices like phones and laptops, to larger essentials like TVs and refrigerators. Take these compact power sources, for example. With options in the 18-volt 1+ and 40-volt systems, these power sources include a variety of ports, including USB-A, USB-C, 12-volt car ports, and even 120-volt AC outlets, with a portable, compact design great for on-the-go use. For larger units to power routers, TVs, and even refrigerators, these power stations deliver consistent and reliable power with additional ports, outlets, and features like connectivity, which allows you to monitor and control your power station remotely using the Ryobi app. By utilizing battery and internal power, the power stations are a great replacement for traditional gas generators with zero emissions and clean power output, making them safe for indoor use and compatible with sensitive electronics. During a storm, having reliable lighting is crucial for safety and convenience, and Ryobi's battery-powered lighting solutions provide a dependable source of illumination that you can count on in any emergency. With options such as portable flashlights, area lights, and floodlights across our USB lithium, 18-volt 1+, and 40-volt platforms, you can easily light up any area around your home. As long as you've got batteries charged and ready to go, you've essentially got unlimited runtime, so you won't have to worry about losing light when you need it most. During a storm, comfort can be a challenge, but Ryobi's battery-powered fans, cooler, and radios help keep you comfortable and informed even when the power is out. Our USB lithium, 18-volt 1+, and 40-volt fans offer adjustable airflow to keep your living spaces fresh and ventilated. Meanwhile, the 18-volt 1+ power cooler keeps your food and drinks chilled, preserving perishables up to 35 continuous hours, ensuring you have refreshments on hand. Additionally, the 18-volt 1+ VerseLink stereo and compact speaker feature FM radio, allowing you to stay in the know regarding updates on the storm, keeping you informed of any important news and safety information. These portable, easy-to-use products help you stay cool and connected during a storm, so you can focus on safety and recovery. Now let's take a look at the power behind all the cordless products we talked about today. Ryobi's batteries and chargers are the foundation for all your storm preparation needs. No matter which platform you choose, the compatibility allows you to use the same battery across a wide range of tools within that same system for ultimate convenience and efficiency. The quick charging capability and wide variety of Ryobi chargers, including multi-port and multi-platform options, ensures that your batteries are ready to go when you need them most. Even in the worst of situations, rely on Ryobi batteries and chargers for consistent, dependable power to keep you safe, comfortable, and informed. Once you've got all your tools, batteries, and chargers, you'll need a place to store them. That's where the Ryobi Link mobile storage toolboxes come in. These solutions are designed to keep your equipment securely in place, making it easy to access items like lighting, fans, radios, and other essentials. The modular design of the Link system allows you to customize your storage setup according to your needs, ensuring that all your Ryobi tools and accessories are neatly organized and ready for use. Durable and easy to transport, these toolboxes help you stay prepared for any storm, with everything you need right at your fingertips. No matter the emergency, planning and preparation is always going to be your best bet, and Ryobi has the cordless solutions to weather any storm. For more information on all the products we talked about today, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on all our new content, including our Tools 101 series, DIY how-to series, and so much more.